Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Crystal and today we're going to be testing out some products from PONDS. PONDS, that's actually one of my favorite skincare brands, and me and PONDS have come a long way. I've been using PONDS since I was probably 13, so that's a long time ago. I've been using PONDS products on and off, so sometimes I use a different brand, but I always come back to using PONDS, whether it's the makeup remover or facial wash. I just always use PONDS in my life. I'm actually very excited for this video because it's not going to be only skincare. It's kind of a makeup product. So I have 3 products to show you guys today, so here they are. And the first one is this PONDS White Beauty BB+CC cream. So I got the shade beige, and it says here it's SPF 30 PA++. So that is great because you're not gonna need to apply another sunscreen because it already has sunscreen. And then I also have this PONDS Magic Powder. I got this from, there's this mall in Green Hills, and I just forgot the name of the mall, but I got this from one of the stalls there. The stall sells like authentic makeup products. I got this for 150 pesos. I actually saw this one time in Mercury Drug. And then I have this PONDS Insta Bright Tone Up Milk Powder. So this is actually very interesting for me. So it says here it has Stardust technology. So actually this is not my first time to use these products. I've been testing this out since last month, and I still don't know how I feel about this because I didn't really use this a lot. So it's probably like my 4th time to use this today. And I actually used this one for my Arab versus Korean makeup look. If you guys watch that, or if you haven't, please do check it out because I used this one for that video. It's good that they're coming out with makeup products that still has skincare benefits. And I'm super happy that PONDS is coming out and being so creative with their products lately. And I love that they're coming out with like a semi-makeup product because it's actually a skincare. Like it has sunscreen, it has like moisturizing benefits. Oh, it's like a skincare and makeup in one. So we are now going to test out the foundation first, or the BB cream. So this is the White Beauty BB+CC, and it has SPF 30 PA++, and I got the shade beige. There's actually 2 shades, I think. The other one is lighter. I got this one because I don't want to white cast on my face. Oh, so this is the Flawless White, PONDS Flawless White. So this also has SPF 30 PA++. So this is the first ever BB cream that they came out with. But this is the BB+CC cream. So I don't know what that means. So it says here, PONDS first ever liquid foundation that covers. Oh, it's actually a liquid foundation. And nourishes and combines special benefits from BB and CC in one for bright, smooth looking skin. So it's nice that they explain the difference of BB and CC. So it says here, BB helps cover dark spots, acne marks, sunspots, and dullness. CC is lightweight, helps naturally brighten and even out skin tone. So what's the difference really? SPF 30 PA++ protects skin from sun 30 times. Wow. I actually really love the packaging of this because it's actually super slim as compared to a lot of foundations. Like this is the powder and this is the BB+CC cream. As you can see, I really love the silver touch here. I'm actually just going to apply this with my fingers because I want this to look natural. So this is the consistency of this product. It's actually not runny at all, but this is the color. I don't know if you can see, but I really like the color. It's not too white, and my experience with a lot of BB creams is that it's either way too white or way too gray. So this is actually a perfect color, and it kind of has a yellow undertone, or it's just the perfect skin color, you know. So I'm just going to apply this with my finger. I'm not going to apply any primer, any moisturizer on my face because this is already a BB+CC cream. Okay, so I got this much, and I'm going to apply this on my face. So when I used this before, I would use a sponge, but I feel like products like this, like BB or CC cream, works better with your fingers. For some reason, I don't know why. Because it's like a skincare, you're going to blend it like how you would blend your moisturizer. Okay, it smells like powder. I actually forgot how this smells, but it smells like powder. Yeah. So as I'm applying this, I can already see some coverage, definitely. I don't know if you can see that. I don't really have problematic skin, but I still want good coverage. And this gives me just the right amount of coverage. And it doesn't feel sticky, which I really like. It's actually very easy to blend, and as I'm blending it, I can feel that my skin feels so soft. I don't know if it's the moisturizer or the skincare that I've been using, but I feel like it's just giving me a really good amount of moisture. I can feel that it's starting to set, but not like super matte. It still has that skin-like finish, so it looks very natural and it feels natural. I feel like I'm touching my skin right now. So I'm probably just gonna do the half of my face for now, just so you guys can see the difference. My lids look kind of pink because I was playing with eyeshadow earlier, and I used a pink, like a very pink eyeshadow, and it left a stain on my eyelids. And that's the thing with a lot of like with purple eyeshadows and pinks, sometimes it depends on the formula. Sometimes it leaves a tint on your eyes, and so it looks kind of pink right now. We're gonna see if it's gonna cover that. And I'm not going to use any concealer today because I want to show you guys the coverage that it's going to give you. Like, if you are on the go, you don't really have time for concealer and all those things. So yeah, I'm just gonna use this alone. Wow, that actually really covered the tint on my eyes, which is good. It really covered. Look, it's completely gone. Like, you can see here that there's pink and there's some veins, but this one really covered, and it's not cakey at all. I'm not really a fan of their BB cream before because it looked kind of cakey on me, but this one, I really like this BB cream. And like right now, it feels so comfortable. It doesn't feel oily or anything. I really like it. This is the side with the foundation, and this is the side without the BB+CC cream. So as you can see, it definitely looks brighter and it looks more even. Actually, I forgot to apply some on my under eyes. Let's see if it's gonna cover my under eyes. I mean my eye bags. So I don't really have bad dark circles, so for under eyes, you definitely need the concealer if you want to. It really looks a lot better even without the concealer, like as compared to this one. Like, you can see the difference. This one just looks so much better than this side. So I don't really have some acne to cover aside from this one. So we're gonna start here and work my way up. Guys, sorry I had to turn on the aircon. It's just so hot in my room, and then there's this very big bulb that I have in front of me. It's just making everything even more hot, so I'm sorry if you can hear the aircon. And on my eyelids. And I actually love the feeling when I'm blending this because you can feel how soft it's making your skin while you're blending it, which it's so soothing, and I don't know, it just feels so nice when you're applying it. Because right now when I'm touching my skin, it just feels like my skin, but the texture is just better, you know what I mean? So it definitely improves the texture and appearance of your skin. So anything that can make your skin better is great, because you don't want something that is going to make your skin even more worse. This is one of those easy to use products that will really improve your skin, the way it looks, the way it feels. So right now I'm really impressed. So obviously this is supposed to be used as a daytime foundation. You can absolutely use this for an evening makeup look as well. Why not? I don't see any dry patches. I don't see any cakiness or anything like that. And my pores are not visible. Like, it was able to fill in my pores. And I don't know, it just looks like I have no makeup on. It just looks like skin. It has the right amount of glow. This is exactly the finish that I'm looking for in any foundation. So I really don't like it when it's super matte, because it just looks like you're wearing a mask. This one, it just covered my my skin and my imperfections, the veins that I have, the redness, without making my face look cakey. So that's really good. Okay, so I think I'm gonna need more coverage here on this side, so I'm just going to add more here. So this is my second layer on the right side of my face. So we're gonna see if this layers nicely. Wow. So this is my second layer, and as you can see, it still looks like skin. It still doesn't look cakey. Okay, so normally I use my banana powder to set my foundation, but since PONDS came out with these powders, I'm gonna use this one on the left side of my face, and then I'm gonna use this one on this side. So we're gonna start with this one. This is the PONDS White Beauty Insta Bright Tone Up Milk Powder. Insta Bright Tone Up Milk Powder. Infused with milk formula, it is a translucent and glittery powder that can give you instantly bright skin. So this has glitters in it. What are you eating? Oh, okay. It also contains sunscreen that helps protect the face against freckles, dark spots, wrinkles, and uneven skin tone caused by UVA and UVB rays. It says here this is translucent, so we're gonna see if it's not gonna change the color of this foundation. Okay, this powder smells so good. It smells like milk because this is a milk powder. And okay, let's see the glitters. I actually forgot how this looks. You can't really see it on camera, but there are tiny glitters, like gold glitters, pink glitters here, like pink and gold glitters, I think. If we're gonna use this to bake, like lightly bake. I don't really like too much baking, so there you go. Wow, that looks super natural. Oh, there you go. Hopefully you can see the glitters there. Wow, it actually looks transparent. And okay, so I'm sure you guys are wondering what's the difference between this and a baby powder. So actually, while I'm using this, it actually feels so different from normal baby powder, because this one definitely looks more translucent than a normal baby powder. Because sometimes I use baby powder to set my foundation as well. It just looks so cakey and so powdery. This one will set your foundation without the cakiness, without the super powdery look. I really like this one because it has sunscreen, so that is why it has skincare benefits, so you don't really need to worry much about the sun. Or even you can wear this on its own if you don't want like the sticky feeling of wearing sunscreen. And I'm definitely gonna use this alone if I don't want to wear sunscreen. So now we're gonna move on to this one. Came in this very cute baby pink packaging, but it just says here it also has double UV protection. Magic BB. This is a magic powder. I don't know why it's called magic powder, but from what I remember, it also has glitters in it, so we're gonna see. This one is just a BB powder. Okay, so I'm just dusting off everything. So this is the magic powder, and the difference between this and the milk powder is that this one has color. It looks like, I don't know if you can see on camera, but it has like a flesh tint. And this one looks like it has micro shimmers as well. I can see a very tiny, like you can't even see it with your eyes if you're not gonna look really close, but I can see it here that it has white, pink, tiny shimmers. I don't know if you can see, but it has color. It's like a flesh toned powder. I'm sure it's for evening out your skin tone. So we're gonna do the same on this side. Wow, this one looks so nice on this side as well. But I feel like this side looks more brighter, this one. Because I think this really has brightening effect. Oh, Insta Bright. Okay, so I can already tell the difference. So obviously, the Insta Bright Tone Up Milk Powder looks a lot more brighter, and it looks, I don't know, I just really like the effect of this side more. This side looks nice as well. But I feel like this powder works a lot better for this BB cream. This one looks more flawless than this side. If you're gonna ask me which one I like more, I like the Insta Bright Tone Up Milk Powder more, because when I was applying it, see the texture of this one feels very close to my RCMA No Color Powder, like no joke. It's very similar to that. So I like this one. This looks kind of dull. Like if you're gonna look at the mirror, you can see, like, I can tell the difference. I really like this side more. So between these two, definitely the Insta Bright powder. Okay, I'm back with this very simple daytime makeup, and actually didn't do much contour. Let me just blend this. So now it's time to give you guys my final thoughts about these products. So okay, so we're gonna start with the BB cream first. I absolutely love this BB cream. I think it looks very natural. It looks like skin, and it's just very comfortable on the skin. It's not like other BB creams that feel sticky or it's just way too light. The color beige is just perfect for my skin tone. It really did make my skin look very even, and it was able to cover the veins that I have here and on this side. So I tried to cover this pimple as well. It did a good job with that as well. So overall, I really like this foundation or BB cream. Next, we have the PONDS Magic Powder. I don't really know what to say about this. I'm not really crazy about this. It didn't do anything that will make me say wow or anything like that, but it was able to mattify my foundation because I'm really a fan of translucent setting powders. Why? Because I spend my energy and my time to blend my foundation and to choose the perfect foundation match for my skin tone. So I don't want to waste that by using a setting powder that has tint in it. So normally I would go for translucent setting powders when I have the chance, unless I'm wearing a foundation that is super light and I need to color correct with a tinted setting powder. But my favorite would have to be the PONDS Insta Bright Tone Up Milk Powder. I really like this one because it just really brightens up my face. It's not gonna make your foundation look dark. This is not going to bother the color. Actually, it still enhances the color because it just looks more lively on this side. So I'm actually really impressed with these products. I don't really have anything bad to say about this because this color might work for a lot of girls, but for me, I just preferred this one over this. But I don't really have anything bad to say about this. If you want a tinted setting powder, you might love this. But I'm sure that I'm going to be able to find use for this one. I might use this alone without any foundation. If I'm just going to the grocery and I just need to mattify my face without wearing foundation, I would probably wear this because it has a skin tone color. And then this one, I would definitely use this to set my foundation, or this one. Just take note that this specific powder, I tried using the PONDS Magic Powder to set my other foundations. I tried to use this to set my Revlon Color Stay foundation and it looked kind of cakey. And although I tried this one didn't look as cakey. It actually looked nice when I tried to set my normal foundation with this one. This would still be my favorite. I highly recommend these. I would rate these 10 out of 10. I just absolutely love them. So that is it for my video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please leave this video a big thumbs up, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and don't forget to click the notification bell because you will be updated with my new videos, and I hope to see you guys again in my next video.